This postcard is addressed to Miss Ladybird Bunting of 24 Seagull Landing in White Rock, BC. And the little descriptive in the corner that tells what the postcard is about says, "Amateur ornithologists watching bird life in London, England, UK." And the writer writes, "Flew into London 2 days ago. Flocks of tourists. I quailed at the shouts of the vulture-like merchants hawking cheap souvenirs." Cheap is spelled C-H-E-E-P. Met a gaggle of amateur ornithologists. They invited me to their terrace to watch birds. Phil's an interesting old coot. Wears medals showing first place in the annual bird count. Some dress as decoys. Liz in blue, hoping to see a mountain bluebird. Kate and Charlotte in pink, praying for a, what would it be? Flamingo. William hoping to see a scarlet tanager. Wee George suffering eye problems, covers his dicky eye. Sometimes they wave their hands to attract feathered friends. Tomorrow we view Christopher's wren. This weekend, I know, it's a groaner. This weekend we travel north to see Sandringham cranes, pausing to lunch on Spotted Creek. Monday we'll make an elegant turn, T-E-R-N, to see the Balmoral oriole. In the afternoon we'll kill deer after everyone plants a tree to encourage more birds. Overall, I have nothing to grouse about. The only sour note was when Phil said he'd like to whip poor Will. I'll wing my way home soon.